Hello, today I'm going to be talking about the Seiko men's watch SRPG57 Prospex. Okay, so this is how it comes. It has been opened already. My husband opened it when we received it. So let me show you. I just think that the box is really cute. I love the blue on it. But let's get to the watch. Comes with this handy dandy book. And like I said, he already opened it. So, okay, so I really love this part right here. But let's focus on the watch. Here is the Seiko SRPG57 Prospex. It's a men's watch, 42.4 millimeters. It's a stainless steel watch. And the width is about 5.25 inches by 375 inches, and it weighs about 12.8 ounces. It has a push button clasp that is right here. So I'm gonna push it in, then pull that, and it opens. And it's hefty, I'm not gonna lie. And I love the dial. It has this little magnifying glass looking thing for the date, which I really love. I love the blue fading color that it has in the center. And those white things for the numbers, those white lines, they go glow in the dark. It also has this really nice design on the back. It's like an ocean wave. And I think it says it's a special edition. It has, when you put it at the right angle, it shows, let me see if I can show you. Okay, right there, it shows some penguin footprints. And I really love it. Well, I hope you guys can enjoy if you purchase this watch. It's really beautiful, and I totally recommend it for your significant other. Thank you.